Will I look crazy filming this video? Maybe. But it's okay. Avertissement, cette vidéo est déjà en français et en anglais, un mélange des deux. Alors si vous n'êtes pas déjà bilingue, s'il vous plaît, allez dans le coin et ajoutez les sous-titres. Merci beaucoup et bon visionnement. Bonjour la gang! Today is the day. On fait du ménage. J'ai réalisé que mon garde-robe, il est trop plein. Mes tiroirs, ça ferme plus. Il y a trop de stock. On fait le ménage. Alors, si vous voulez le faire avec moi, je vous encourage de suivre ces étapes et on va faire le ménage de notre garde-robe ensemble.
If you saw in my last video, I showed you guys the inside of my new apartment in Ottawa. Since I'm moving, I want to take the time to go through all of my stuff to make sure I keep what I really need.
Vous allez venir avec moi et nous allons faire du nettoyage, du triage, de l'organisation dans différents aspects de la vie et vous pouvez le faire vous aussi en même temps que moi. Alors c'est ça qu'on va faire dans cette série. So I hope you guys will come on this adventure with me to try to declutter my life. What a wonderful world. On commence. Étape numéro 1. Tu veux commencer par faire ton lit. Même si tu veux juste placer ta couverte, placer tes oreillers, faire ça tout beau. Tu vas comprendre pourquoi dans la prochaine étape. Étape numéro 2. Tu vas tout mettre, qu'est-ce qui est dans tes garde-robes, dans tes tiroirs, tout. Mets ça sur ton lit. Fais une grosse pile. Et après, on va à étape numéro 3.
In this step, you want to make sure to take everything off the hooks first. It's going to be super helpful.
My brother just walked in, gave me a bunch of these, saying, "Here, I give you my support." Because these are called support in French, support. We're not funny. Oops, I made a mess. Okay guys, that's better. It's my OCD. And then we go to step number 4. We're at step number 4, right? I think so. Step number 4. Tu vas vouloir placer ça en catégories. Categorize those. This will actually help you see how much stuff you do have in each category.
One eternity later.
After everything is separated into piles, you're gonna go item through item and pick which ones you want to keep. Those you know you want to keep, you put them straight on a hanger into the closet. Those you know that you're not sure or you don't really want to keep it, you put it in another pile, and that pile is gonna be all the things you're gonna try on. One thing I want to share with you guys that I've recently learned in the past year is the Marie Kondo method.
Hello, I'm Maria Kondo. 私のミッションは片付けによって世界をときめかせていくことです。ときめく空間を作るということを意識することが大切です。
This method consists of you holding a piece of clothing and looking at it, you feel it, I guess you can smell it too. But you feel it, you look at it, and the question you have to ask yourself is, does this spark joy? If it does, Marie Kondo says to keep it. If it doesn't, she says to toss it away. You can try this. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I feel like this could be a good method to use if you don't know where to start. You can try doing that. So that's when you go to the 5th step, where you will put on everything that you put in that pile and try them on. By trying them on, you can see if you kind of want to keep it now or if you really don't want to keep it.
Here are a couple examples of clothes that I decided to try on. As you can see, this shirt is too big for me. I can fold it over like that. Even the shoulders, the holes were getting a little bit too large for my arms, and the collar was a little weird too. So I decided to donate that. Just like the other one, this one is just too big. I could fit both arms into the skirt and there was still a huge gap. So I'm also gonna donate this one.
And I'll talk about what you're gonna do with that in the next step. I feel like we all have pieces of clothing that we're keeping just in case. Like, oh, maybe I'll wear this one day. And like actually deep down, you know you'll never wear it. So like, get rid of it, get rid of it. I don't recommend you guys throwing stuff out, but keep it in a box somewhere. Either you wait after the pandemic to donate it or sell it online. You know, there's all these apps now that you can sell clothes online, so why not?
After you completed all the steps, little by little, you'll end up with a closet full of clothes that you love.
Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you dans la prochaine vidéo. Bye!